Okay, when I first came to Dr. Matt, I was skeptical. A friend of mine had been coming to Dr. Matt for back problems. So I decided that, I'll give chiropractic a chance. When I came here, I was suffering from menopause. Some of the symptoms were hot flashes, weight gain, headache, fatigue. And after coming to see Dr. Matt for about a month, it might have been 2 weeks, I lost 6 pounds. And my goal wasn't to lose weight, but it was to get control of diabetes because I was pre-diabetic too. So I started coming regular as of May 29th. On July 23rd, I lost 27 pounds. Now remember, my goal wasn't to lose weight, it was just to get control of my diabetes. My diabetes count went from 106 to 96. So I guess that kind of sums it up why I've come to chiropractic. And I can't forget about Zuleda. She's really been an inspiration to me too. I took advantage of the coming in to her appointments. The first 2 were free. I took advantage of coming and just sitting down and talking with her. And I found out not only what I was eating, but what was eating me. Is that okay?
It's great. What would you say to somebody just like yourself who was skeptical about chiropractic?
Well, it's okay to be skeptical, but you need to come in and give it a chance because of that skepticism, I kept coming back just to say because I didn't believe that chiropractic could help me, but it did, and I'm happy that I came.
All right, well, thanks. We appreciate it.
Thank you.